Hello folks, one of the subscribers suggested me that we do a small series where we talk about how let's say you do not work for any company, but you know how to do BD, you know how to do sales, how do you make money in Web3. So I'm gonna post a couple of videos, and today we're gonna talk about how do you make money with introductions. This will work if you know a lot of people in Web3, you've been in the space for a couple of years, then you can watch this video. If not, then watch this for the future to understand how your career path might look like. Because I have a couple of friends that are following this path. Basically, making introductions in Web3 has become their main job. And you can monetize those introductions in a couple of ways. So one way is going to be the formal path. When you know a lot of people, you then go and find somebody that needs a lot of connections or wants to sell a lot of stuff and they need a lot of referrals. They're looking to buy basically introductions or buy connections from you. So what you do is you go and you sign an agreement with that person, and in fact you may think that it's hard to find them. In reality, it's very easy. Almost everyone will offer you, like, let's do some kind of referral business, or let's share introductions, or do you know a guy at that company, or do you know a guy at this company. So it's not an easy thing to find somebody who needs an intro. But if you do have that asset that you know a lot of folks, this is what you go. You sign a formal agreement with that person, either a referral agreement that they're gonna offer you, or you can go to your lawyer and together you're gonna create your own system. For example, here, let me show you actually. So you go and you talk with your people, and with the lawyer, you together go and create some kind of a document where you say that, yes, I'm gonna be sharing introductions, and for every introduction that I make, I will be, I don't know, making 1% commission of any future business that you guys are gonna do, or you will pay me like $100 if you do end up doing some kind of a business together, something like that. And then you start making introductions, and then the only thing is how you're gonna be holding people accountable, because imagine you have 10 people that you have been introducing to each other, and then how do you actually know if they have been doing business together or not, sort of that stuff. So that's formal path. There is also like a better path where you go and you say, okay, like the way that I think about this, I do not like it. I do not like the formal path. I think it's a complete bullshit, simply for the reason that whenever you do an introduction, you should do it from your good intentions. And if you do it from your good intentions, you will make way more stuff. Because I have few core beliefs in me that I'm following. One is that God will always find a way to reward me. I don't have to create my own way within agreements to say, hey, if I do an introduction for you, you'll get rewarded. I'm not talking about something like super specific when it's like a work dedicated. For example, if I want to make my life as a business model when I'm making introductions, then yes, probably you have to do some kind of agreements just to keep yourself protected. But right now, if I'm just browsing around, I have a job, and somebody in my network needs an introduction, I will not go to you and I will not say, hey, yeah, I'll make you this intro, but you need to pay me X amount of dollars. No, I will just go and I will just make an introduction for you, because I believe that if I do good for you, you will do good for me. And, anyway, you put good on one end and the good will come back to you. So I'm doing all these things without a reward. I do not, but still, there is a way how you're gonna make money. Because let's say a guy who you helped 2 years ago, he will come back to you right now and he will go and do the deal with you, and you will make money there. It's like two different approaches how you can make money or how you can benefit with knowing a lot of people, and they're both fine. I prefer the second one. You may do the first one if you don't have a regular job. If you already have a regular job and you have a very big network, consider doing the second one, because the second one is actually more profitable. So if you don't know me, my name is Nikolai, this is Web3 Sales Gym. All the links that you need to have are in the description. Like, subscribe, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.